channel. So today we're talking about the part 2 of what we were discussing last week. Was it on Monday? Okay. So again, number 5 will be always moisturize your hair. Yeah, I feel moisturizing has helped me a lot. Moisturize your hair, and anytime you feel like 4C, if you have a 4C hair, it's, you guys know how prone to dryness it has always been. It's always dry, so you need this moisturizer. You need moisturizer to always, anytime it's dry, you just, you know, soak it a little bit with this. Number one moisturizer will be water. I really love water. Just, I have a spray bottle where I just spray the hair with water, just add a little bit of oil to it, and I'm good. So, and this is the oil I have. This is my DIY oil. Actually, I made it myself. Add a couple of oils to it. I know you'll be like, yeah. So add a couple of oil. There's coconut oil, there's olive oil, there's shea butter, there's sesame oil, there's castor oil, and yeah, the basic oil that are needed for the hair. So this is good stuff. So after I notice that my hair is dry, I just add it, and it's good. We're back again. So know how to moisturize your hair all the time, or anytime you feel it's dry. So number 6 will be avoid sulfate shampoo entirely. Avoid anything with sulfate, anything with harsh chemical. Maybe I'll do a video on the chemicals you should avoid in products. Like anytime you're using a product and you notice that the chemicals in there are too much, it has sulfate, like that's why I always tell you that homemade shampoos are really good, really good for you. It's good stuff. So I made this myself. This is my own homemade shampoo. I feel it worked for me this past few days. I couldn't do anything without this shampoo. It's been great. It's been really good. This shampoo has been a lifesaver. So what I do, I made my own and product. I felt like it has been working for me. Added, and this is just everything from my kitchen. So I will do a video on it. If you guys will like a video on it, I will definitely make it for you, so you guys will see how and make yours yourself. So yeah, this is number 1. Avoid it. So it doesn't have any sulfate. So I've been using it, and my hair has been like, yeah, growing. Because I cut this hair. Remember, I cut this hair. Was it March? Yeah, March. I did trim the hair down to a length where I felt like it was. I did flat iron, like I said, I did a lot of flat iron in December during my sister's wedding. So I needed to get my hair was breaking again, so I needed to trim it at a length so I could get back my hair. And right now I trimmed it. My hair was here, and I trimmed it all the way. I trimmed like about 2-3 inches, and my hair is currently here. It's here right now. So yeah, so I feel this works for me. So but if you're in Nigeria and you feel like I don't have time to make my own shampoo, you can get this Latest Hair Wonder. They don't have it's really good. They don't have anything like sulfate in it. So yeah, as you can see it here. Yeah, and I also have the cream too. This a reason why I love it, I love everything. The ingredients here is amazing, so I just went with it. So number, you know, I'm confused right now. Okay, number 7. Yeah, sorry, number 7. Number 7 is eat healthy. Like, I know it's not. It's, let's be realistic. It's really not. You can eat. What I mean, you can eat vegetables all the time. You can keep up with the whole thing, but make sure at least once in a day you eat something really healthy. Eat something really good. Eat something not only for your hair too, but for your skin. You know, try and get it. It's good. It makes your skin pop, and you know, I can't emphasize on it because ever since I've been eating healthy, not only for my hair, it has been working for both my hair, my skin, in fact everything, your body system too. So try and eat healthy. It's really good. Eat healthy. Yeah. So I feel food that are rich in um, proteins and that will help your hair growth are egg, fish. Fish is fish too. Omega. You can take supplements. And if you feel like you need supplements, it's really good. I took biotin. I can remember in 2015 I did buy biotin, and it works. It works. So, and Hair Infinity is really good too. I've never tried it, but one of these days I will try. I'll try and get it. So yeah. So if you feel like meat, fish, egg, vegetables, they're really good. Just in a day, just try and eat any of them. Those things help. Like I can't go a day without eating egg. I'm serious. Sometimes I don't, but I just feel like I take egg in a week 4 or 5 times. Yeah, in a week 4 or 5 times. So yeah, yes. And number 8. Number 8 will be massage your scalp. Massage your scalp regularly. What I do is that, like I said, I have an oil here. So, but I also have Dr. Miracle Do Grow Oil Moisturizing Oil. I don't know. You can get this on Amazon. And you can also, if you're in Nigeria, Jumia is available. And this one is the Do Grow Oil, Daily Moisturizing Oil. And this is Peppermint Intensive Sport Syrup. It's really good. I can emphasize on this. I got it last year. Was it last year? Yeah, I got it last year. And what I do is I just take a little bit of this and apply it here like this. Then I go. And if you're trying to grow out your front hair, this is really good. You just do that and bend over for like 10 to 15 minutes and make sure you get right inside. This feels good. So you get all everywhere. Then you must this has been really helpful. Like sometimes I do that a lot because anytime but I don't do that every day. To be honest, I can't do it. I have work and everything, but anytime I have time, sometimes I don't use oil. I just go in just to massage my head. And so just try and do that. It works for me. It might work for you. I'm telling you what might work for you, because if I knew these things for for the longest, I wouldn't be in here. At least my hair would have gotten to a very, very good length. But I am really grateful at this length it has grown, because my hair, I knew my hair, I understood my hair 2016 to I think 20, let's just say 2017, 2018, 2019. Come on, 3 years. It's been okay. Like it's been really, really good. So I'm really grateful at my journey. I'm grateful for it. If I knew all of these things the soonest, I would have been like long gone I would have gotten to the length I really wanted. But this length I am right now, I never predicted it. Yes, because the rate at which it was not growing then, I was just stuck. It was not growing at all. I was just stuck at some point. But to see it at this point was like, okay, girl, you've tried. So yeah. So number 9, don't try all products. Know the product that works for you. Study the product that works for you. Find the product that works for you and use it. Don't use every other product. Don't try to be a product junkie using this product. If your hair hasn't even understand this product yet, you're jumping into another one. Your hair will be confused. At some point you'll be confused and you have stunt growth. So you're trying, okay, I understand you're trying to put really good stuff inside your hair, but try it once at a time. You understand? You just try this one, and if it works with your hair, just continue with it. Don't try and go to another one and another one and another one. Your hair is confused. At some point you'll be like, okay, you know what, I'm done. Your hair is also like a human being too, kind of. Okay. So yeah, just know the product that works for you and stick with the product. Don't even try to start going through another one, another one, another one, another one. Your hair will get confused. So know what works for your hair and stick with it. Number 9, and I think that's one of the important, is don't play with your hair. Don't like try every other style. Don't manipulate your hair. Use protective stuff always. Like, the reason why I'm showing you my hair at this point was because I feel like I need to tell you about my growth. I need to tell you about my journey, and you also need to see it. If not, it would have been tied, or I would have been on wigs. Yeah, I use wigs in hair tie most of the time. So I feel like protective style is one of the best. And even if I'm trying to style my hair, I don't leave it all. No, I don't do that. I don't leave it down to at my shoulders. No, I just do a style the way my hair doesn't touch my body and all that. Just pack everything in here. So that's what I do, and I feel you should do it. I know you're trying to try a new style, which is really good. It's really okay to, but let your hair breathe in between all of this styles you're trying to put it through and all that. Let it breathe too, so that your hair can grow. So I feel these are my top 10 tips that have really worked for me, and the product I've used, I will do a DIY on them so that you guys can get started on yours. Like I said, don't try every other product. Be patient with your growth. Be patient with your journey. You might start out and feel like, oh my god, when is this hair going to grow? I've been there. There was this time I was so frustrated. I almost wanted to cut the hair and say, okay, you know what, but be patient with your hair. It's going to be worth it at the end. So yeah, and if you're just starting, you're in luck. If you're about to go back to natural, you're in luck. So today I'm going to giving you the basic things you need in for your hair growth journey, which is number 1, shampoo. You need a shampoo, and the one, like I said, I'm going to do a DIY shampoo so that you guys can try it. But if you can't, you can order Hair Wonder. It's good. This is one I've tried. I've not tried any other one, so I tried this and it works for me. So yeah. And number 2 will be conditioner. I'm gonna use this one because I can't find my own conditioner, the one I'm using right now. I tried looking for it, but I can't find it. So, and the conditioner I'm using is still this one. I'm still using Mega Perfective, Mega Growth Perfective conditioner, which I feel has been good for me. So yeah, I use this one. And Daily Leave-In again, which is this one. So that means you wash this one out, and you leave this one in. So this thing is good. Then most times I use this Hair Wonder to at least moisturize everything, let it get in, let it settle in. But you need only one. So if you're just starting, don't be like, I need everything. No. This is a little bit cheap. It's very cheap. I think it's 1,000 naira, and this is around 700 or so. And I got this 1,002, which is really good. So I don't know how much it is. I think it's around $5 or $6. So, and this too. So that's all basic thing you need. And your oil, your moisturizing oil always. So you just get a few oil. If you can't do all the mixture of oils, you can just go with olive oil, which is anointing oil. Olive oil or coconut oil. So whichever one works for you, just use it and you're good. Seriously, you're really good. And again, avoid all of those things I said. Heat, avoid trying to stretching your hair or comb or hot comb or anything. Blow drying, reduce it. And yeah, and also final tip, I will be showing you how I steam my hair. Like, steaming are really good. Now I got this from Jumia. It's a hooded cap where you can let me show you how I do mine. So I'm gonna tie it at the back. Okay, so then this is my blow dryer. It's really small, so I could go and fit right inside. So, and this just when you have all your product inside your hair, you can tie with a leather. Then you just, this is really good. It's really good for me. So I just use this to steam my hair instead of going to the relaxer. And one of the things I love about this, let me show you, is that two time, is that you can see from here it has a, see how it is. This is really good for steaming. So again, if you don't have this, it's fine, it's okay. Just get your towel. This is a towel I'll be using, so just get your towel, and after tying your hair and wrapping it, you can just get your towel and wrap it in. Wrap it on your hair and you're done. Just allow it to steam. And sometimes I could still go in and just be doing it so that it's steamed. It really go in there and the whole product is inside, and this helps to soften your hair. It's really this is really good stuff. Like, so yeah, that's for the final tips. So I hope I'm able to, you know, tell you and able to at least you guys understand my hair growth and you understand my hair journey, and you should know that it takes time. It's not a one-time thing. It's not like you just wave your wand and said, I want a long hair, I want a bra length, and it just happened. No, it takes time and it takes work from you too. So try and take time to, don't apply everything. Don't because someone said I want they're doing okra remedy or hair whatever, you try to do it. No, allow your hair to bring in between of those experiments. Don't experiment with your hair. You take time for your hair. Treat your hair like you treat your face. You understand? Don't give it all the whole product. You get. So yeah, I think that's my basic, that's what have helped me, and I hope you know pick one of few things to start your own journey. And I wish you guys all the best. Like I said, I'll do a video on my 3 homemade remedies. Oh, sorry, homemade conditioner. Sorry, I keep saying remedies. Homemade conditioner, so you guys start your journey. And also I'll make a DIY shampoo for you, so you guys will get started on this one too. So, and an oil, if you guys want it, just, you know, tell me the link below and I will do that for you. So thank you so much for tuning with me. It means so much to me if you subscribe, because I'll be posting a lot of good stuff on hair and also other things. And you can send me any questions you want me to answer and I will be more than happy to attend to them. So again, thank you so much for sticking with me to this time. It means so much to me. Thank you. And please, before you go, subscribe, like, comment. It will mean so much. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.